All right, traders, let's do a 3-day recap using the at the open method. The last 3 days, today is October 14th. I'm going to show you what happened the last 3 days using this trading method with the software. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Understand the risks involved with trading before jumping in. Use stops when trading. So what you're looking at here today, October 14th, are two signals to go long. And the back end of the software, the parameters are very simple. You can have a sound file for an alert. You can dictate how small or large you want the text. The market open time is in your time zone. If you're living in the New York time zone like I am, then the market open for the E-mini is 9:30. If you live out on the West Coast, California, Oregon, Washington, you would have to adjust that to 6:30. So this depends on the markets that you trade, because you can trade the at the open method on multiple markets, and so you'd have to adjust that even overnight. If you wanted to trade the overnight London session, you can update that to the overnight London session, the European Open, for your time zone. But for me, it's 9:30 for the US day market. Everything else I pretty much leave defaulted, and you can configure the colors for the orders that it provides. So it's very simple. There's not any type of optimization that needs to be done. So for today, we have the at the open chase the trade, and we have the main signal at the open long. So everyone who has this software understands the method. This is what occurred, and the market went, as you can see, straight up from this point on. Now we still have to manage the trade targets and stops. So that's today, October 14th. We actually include this method on week 1 of the mentorship class beginning October 19th, next week. So if you're interested in joining, you get the at the open method immediately to start learning and trading and practicing before we even start the mentorship class. So we actually provide the courses and software in advance, especially week 1 is the at the open. Now if we look at what happened yesterday, October 13th, which is a Wednesday, let me go back to Wednesday, and this is what we have. We have a short signal. Now just one short signal. The at the open method is supposed to be a one and done type of trade. And so this signal here on October 13th, 43.37.75, short at about 9:56 in the morning. So remember, the idea is the market starts to wake up, starts to trade long or short. We take advantage of that power that the traders are pushing in one direction or another. And I'd like to say that the at the open method, as one of the first courses introduced by Day Trade to Win, has been around for over 12, 13, 14 years at least, and is still working without any type of modification. So that is something really to say about a method that hasn't changed over the years, and that's why price action, what we teach at Day Trade to Win, is so important to understand for traders. So this is a short signal on the E-mini, 43.37.75. That was yesterday, Wednesday the 13th. Let's go to Tuesday, the 12th. So let me go back. Tuesday the 12th. Now on Tuesday the 12th, October 12th, we have two signals to go short. Now typically, I recommend not trading this late in the day, especially the at the open method, because it's supposed to be really at the beginning of the day. So the signal occurred too late in the afternoon. I would not recommend taking this signal. So this is the only signal for the afternoon. Let's go back another day. Let's see what happened on Monday, October 11th. So let me go back to October 11th, which is right here. We have a long signal on Monday, which is 43.91.50. right at about 9:45, 46 here is where it's showing. Just to expand the chart here a little bit. And we're going long at 43.91.50, and the market just kept on going. And that's what I like to see when it comes to the at the open method. Now there's another signal that also occurred on the at the open method, which is, let me just show you here, at about 1:30 New York time. It's a short. Now the problem with this is that I've already taken a successful trade to go long, and it was good. I don't really see a need to take another trade on the at the open. We have the scalper, the atlas line, the blueprint, the roadmap. We have so many other things to look at that if you're not done trading after this one signal or any other signals prior to the afternoon, I would say that maybe you're trading too much. So these are the two signals for Monday, October 11th. Personally, I would just say to you the first one is the way to go. The second one here, I would not take it because I've probably taken so many trades up until this point. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email us. We're probably going to take the at the open method off the market. And those of you who have the at the open method can definitely continue to use it. It's a lifetime license, but we are going to take this off of the market. It's only going to be available for mentorship very soon. If you have any questions, email us, visit us on the Contact Us page, or if you'd like to join the mentorship class, which includes all of these courses and software, feel free to give us a call or sign up at the daytradetowin.com website. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel.